Oculus Quest gives you the ability to cast, letting you share your headset's VR picture to a mobile phone or to a TV with a compatible casting-enabled device, so your friends can see all the action. In order to cast, you'll need the Oculus app handy. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your headset. Then, navigate to the Cast button on the top right of the App menu tab. Next, you'll be prompted to select which device you want to cast from and where you want to cast to. If you don't have a casting-enabled TV, you can cast to your mobile phone instead. Once you select which device to cast to, there will be a confirmation prompt in your headset. In VR, click Enable Casting. This will share your VR picture in real time. For more information on compatible devices, check out the Oculus support site. To learn more about your Oculus Quest, you can watch more of this tutorial series or follow the Support Center link in the reference guide. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in VR.